Ask the Expert, brought to you by Auger Hollingsworth.
Good morning and welcome back. Ask the Expert, Auger Hollingsworth, sponsored by Auger Hollingsworth. And we want you to email us your questions, your morning, ottawa@ctv.ca. You can phone in your questions as well. You can see the information right there on your board. We got to bring in Brenda Hollingsworth right now and welcome you to the show.
Hi there.
We got another session here. Plenty of questions for you. Great to see you.
Nice to see
Why don't
you.
we get straight to it?
Sure.
Okay.
Good.
Here's the first scenario. I had a single vehicle accident and was seriously injured. Do I have any options for compensation?
Yes.
Brenda.
So definitely, anytime you have serious injuries in a car, you should consult a personal injury lawyer, whether you think you were at fault or not, whether or not you're the only one in the vehicle. And here's why. Accident benefits can be quite generous to people who caused accidents. So if you have serious injuries, you could have $1 million in coverage. And if you don't have a lawyer guiding you, you may not get access to everything you need. So that's number one.
Okay.
And number two is there may be a reason you had that single vehicle accident. We've had cases where the roadway is confusing, signage is confusing, vehicles have flipped over because of sort of lines being in the wrong place. So let us investigate that. It doesn't cost anything for you to let us investigate it, see if potentially there's someone who may be able to explain how this happened.
Okay, so even if you are in, there are different scenarios, single vehicle accident, even if you may feel you may be at fault, don't just write that off.
No, like think about a day like we're having right now, lots of snow and ice. The city has an obligation, and not just Ottawa, but the province and federally, all kinds of different governments have obligations to do things on the roads. If you fell or if you spun or something and had an accident because the roads weren't cleared, it might be somebody else's fault.
Okay.
So let us look at that.
Okay, that is really good to know. You may brake but not be able to brake in time and maybe even hit another vehicle or just get yourself into an accident.
Yeah.
And so don't assume anything.
That's right. Especially, it's one thing when the snow is still falling. There's quite a bit of leeway on governments to get it done. But by now, roads should be clear, salt should be down.
Yes.
And if it's not, you may have something.
Okay.